Hey girlies, it's Tammy. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing something different and hopefully it turns out well. Also, my foundation's looking a little bit orange today, but by the time I get concealer and powder, all of that good stuff on, it will balance out, so don't worry about that. But today we're focusing on eyeshadow, so I'm going to do this palette bingo like video thing. I've seen a couple people do it and I received this palette in the post recently. It's by a brand called Look Pro. It's called the Artistry Book. And look how many shades are in here, guys. It looks so beautiful and the shades look so vibrant. It's right up my street, so I didn't even know what type of look to do because I was just like, there's so much to choose from. Do I go warm neutral? Do I go pinky purple? Do I do blue green? Like, I couldn't decide, so I thought what better palette to do this palette bingo with and just let God choose, I guess. I'm hoping I get something at least a little bit cohesive, because if I get shades that are just like opposite, I might have to do like a lower lash line that's a different color or something. I don't know, we'll make it work anyway. So I've got Google number generator on my phone and I'm just gonna go ahead and do 1 to 48 and see what we get. Okay, so the first number is 30. So the first shade here is a orange and it's called Cherry Soda. So it's like a deep orangey terracotta color. Gorgeous. I'm just gonna swatch the colors that I get on my hand so I know what I'm using. Okay, the next number we have is 27. Okay, so that is this shade right here, which is kind of like a pinky coral color and it's called Pop It. That looks nice. And the next number is 30 again. Next number, okay, next number is 26. We're not moving from this area. So 26 is this shimmer shade here. It's like a pinky gold. It's called Pixie Dust. It looks gorgeous. Looks like we're going down the pinky orangey route, which I'm cool with. Let's see. We've got 19. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice shade. This is the shade we just got, 19, and it's like this shimmery yellow. It's called Pineapple Juice. Gorgeous. Ooh, so far so good, guys. I think I could even just make a look out of these shades. I think I'm just gonna stick to these 4 shades. So I'm gonna start off with priming my eyes. This is the Be Perfect Prime eyeshadow base. I might do this for a few other palettes as well. I wasn't sure at first. I was thinking if I get some mix match shades, I'm just gonna not do it again. I'm gonna go ahead and start with that Pop It shade, which is like the pinky coral. And this I'm gonna start into the crease. Oh, that's a nice color, very pinky. This is also my first time using this palette, so it's my first time kind of seeing the quality of it. I feel like this palette is slightly expensive. I can't remember. Let me check online actually. Okay, so this palette is $34.99. I think for 48 shades, that's not a bad price because it is like a big palette. But let's see if they're worth the money. So far, so good. They're very pigmented shades. Well, the one shade that I've used so far. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into that Cherry Soda shade, the orangey shade over here. I do wish I had a deep dark shade to like deepen the outer V, but I guess we're going for like a spring look today. And I'm going to take this cherry shade onto the outer V. No, it's not deep enough. It's going to be a very pastel-y type of look, I guess. But it is spring, so I mean, it's fine. We'll leave it as a pastel-y spring look. Not really pastel, but a vibrant spring look. Not everything needs to be deep and dark, Tammy. Okay, now for the lid, do I take this shimmer or this shimmer? I want to take this shimmer, but I feel like that's going to look gorgeous on the inner corner. I think I'm just going to take the yellow gold on the lid and then probably this on the inner half of the lid. That sounds like a plan. So I've been doing this a lot recently. I'm going to take the NYX Glitter Primer to prime my lids for the shimmer. So taking a little bit of that primer on a brush, just going to press that onto my lid. Then dipping into that yellow gold shade called Pineapple Juice. That's going straight onto the middle of the lid. Oh, that's a gorgeous shade. Not as glittery as the other shimmer. I don't know if you can tell, but they are 2 different formulas. This one's more glittery shimmer and then this one's just like a normal satin shimmer. This look is reminding me of something like a pineapple cocktail or something. Everything with me is always a cocktail. Taking a little bit of that orangey shade one last time, blending it into the yellow shimmer on the edge here. And then for the inner corner, I'm gonna go into this gorgeous shade here, which is called Pixie Dust. It's kind of like a rose gold shade. So glittery and sparkly. This has definitely gotten me out of my comfort zone. Like, usually I'm like spring look, what is that? Dark vampy looks all the time, but This is nice. This is reminding me of something, but I do like a sunset, sunrise, I don't know. Okay, so I love the color combination that I got. I love this like yellow to orange gradient on the edge here. Really happy. Phew, I'm so glad this went well. I'm gonna complete the rest of my face and then I'll come back and show you guys my final look. Okay guys, now I'm back. So here we have the final look. What do you think? I think it's very spring, very summer, very bright, colorful. I went for like tons of blush as well. I used the Patricia Bright Face palette in the shade You Are Gold, so I used the blush in here, but also I went in with the eyeshadow shades that I use, so that Pop It pink shade, this one here, and then I also mixed it with the orange shade as well and just went ham with the blush. I just went in like, and I think it goes so well with the eyes. So yeah, what do you think of this look? Also on my lips I used the Lime Crime Wet Cherry gloss in the shade Flaming Cherry, and it's like a bright orange coral color. And yeah, I'm really in love with this look, guys. Definitely something I wouldn't have done myself, so I'm really happy I decided to do the palette bingo, because you know me, looking at this palette, my eyes were drawn to this whole section right here, like the pink and the purples, ooh, but also the blues and the greens. So I'm glad I did something like not my usual style, but I'll definitely be using this palette again. My first impressions on it, it performed super well. I really love that glittery shade on the inner corner. The mattes applied beautifully and diffused, blended really nicely. I do want to see how the mattes perform, like the darker mattes, when I put them on the outer V. So I will be trying this again, probably in a either full face testing video or just like a get ready with me. So keep an eye out for this palette because I definitely want to play with these colors. Let me know if there are any other palettes you want me to do palette bingo with, because I can definitely, you know, jump into it. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys are doing okay. I hope you are staying home and staying safe if you can. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Take care. Bye.